Welcome to our hair clippers showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular hair clipper sets, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the TPOB Slime 2. Both of these products promise to deliver exceptional performance for your grooming needs. Let's find out which one stands out in terms of features, design, and value. When it comes to pricing, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers are priced at $99, making them a more budget-friendly option compared to the TPOB Slime 2, which retails for $126. This price difference may influence your decision if you're looking for value without compromising on quality. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers feature a high-powered motor with 2-speed settings, allowing for versatile cutting. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 is equipped with a rotary motor that operates at 6,800 RPM, designed for efficient performance, especially for fade haircuts. Both motors offer unique advantages, depending on your grooming needs. In terms of blade technology, the Novah clippers use sharp, high-quality steel blades that provide a clean cut. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2 features DLC blades, known for their durability and smooth finish. This difference in blade technology can significantly affect the cutting experience and results. In conclusion, both the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the TPOB Slime 2 Barber Hair Clippers offer unique features that cater to different grooming needs. The Novah clippers are a more affordable option with versatile capabilities, while the TPOB Slime 2 excels in fade haircuts with its advanced blade technology. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product reviews.